Good morning, girls. Well, my bad luck has come back. I thought it was gone. It's gone for a few months. Just in time for me to get those credit cards paid. My phone went out. Of course, you know that. I had to go buy a new phone. Then I ordered that big surge protector for air conditioners. And then it wasn't the surge protector. It was the plug on the air conditioner. Somehow, I think all this happened during that storm, that terrible storm we had. That's when my phone went out, and I bet that's what happened to that air conditioner. It had a bubble, so it wouldn't fit down into the socket. Well, when I tried to force it, it sparked, so I'm going to go get an air conditioner today. Oh, I don't know, girls, what's happening. And then I laid my curling iron on here, and I lifted it up and just caught it in time. It had melted all over my curling iron before I put it in my hair. We're going to be using this Morphe 35C Everyday Sheet Palette. I got my videos to come on YouTube yesterday. I'd rather watch them on the phone. They look better. They look better on the phone, girls. Don't be falling for this. Please don't watch it on your TV. I can hardly stand it. I turned it off and watched it on my phone, then I started watching Chosen. So, we're just going to get a few brushes out here and make the most of them. Because I don't feel like messing with it. Brenda will be here in a little while. And then I'm going to get her to help me take the old air conditioner out of the window. And then go and get the new one. Okay, we're going to be using Covergirl Perfect Blend eyeliner pencil in basic black. So I talked to my daughter yesterday. Oh my God. We can't even get into it. I can't. I had to pray to forget it. Please, God, get it off my mind. Let me get some sleep. She worked so hard, girls. But she can't seem to get ahead. I guess she got it from her mother. But I'm sorry. I'm trying to do a better job at being gentle with my eyes. Anyway, so today I'm going to do the air conditioner. Tomorrow, beauty shop. Layers in the back. I may not even be able to get my hair in a bun when they're done with me. But I'm getting that. That's going to start curling. Or I'm going to pull it out with my hair. Oh God, I tried to get a picture of Sassy yesterday. You'd have died. I gave in to her. This is what I'm doing. Trying to be fair. Now, she used to get 2 cans of sausages every day. So I kind of made a deal with her. I had to. She wouldn't leave me alone. This is what she's getting. 1 can of sausage with the juice poured on the dog food, and that's it. If that's not good enough for her, she can't starve. But yesterday, the reason I did it, I have a fan in because that air conditioner's not working, so I'm trying to pull the air from that bedroom into the living room. Okay, so I got this fan, and it's in the door. That's my brush. I don't know where my brush is. But anyway, she's hiding behind it, back there. It was real spooky, staring me down. I couldn't take it anymore, so I said, well, come on. Let's do it. If we have to do this, let's do it. I'm tired of this. I can't take any more of this spooky staring around fans and corners and giving me the eye, the side eye and stuff. So I gave in to her. She was starting to scare me. She looked like a possessed dog. Anyway, I don't know, girls. I watched The Chosen last night, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to watch the whole thing. We're getting close. Okay, that was, are the colors mentioned on here? No. That was this right here, the lightest color. And now for my, oh, well, we don't have a medium brown. Oh, yes, we do. I'm going to put this as my transition color. Renee's already called me, or texted me. She knows not to call while I'm doing this. But, I've got to call her when I'm done. Okay, Judy, quit playing. Well, it'll look better when I get the eyebrow in there. We can only pray. Let's put some in the inner corner too. I ordered some shelves from Temu. Shoe rack. I'm going to do that closet. But now that I have to buy an air conditioner, I can't send the order in. Because I'm not about to get myself in a mess. No. I think my daughter's in a mess. I'm not sure. But I can almost bank on it. Not my bank. No more. I can't take no more. Well, the motor went out in her car. She had to get a new motor. So, that put her behind. Well, I can't help her. I would love to, but I can't. I'm not going to tell you why. But those of you who know me know why. Okay, let's put something up. Do we have any blue in here? Oh, yes. Right there. Okay, let's try that blue. It's pretty. We may have to cover it up. Because you know how me and blue do. Well, where are you? Well, why am I afraid of you? You got nothing going. I don't even think you have enough to even try to be even over here. Okay, we're not going to do that. We're going to do purple. We're going to do purple and pink, girls. Let's do it. Come on, purple, work with me. We are going to get purple and pink. Can you see it? Yeah. Okay, that's not as bright purple as I like, but we're going to use it. What was that purple and pink palette that I loved so much? I like to never got over it. Anyway, it's hot in the living room. Every room in this house has an air conditioner, except the living room. It has one, but it's over my chair. And every time I turn it, it's heavy duty, and it's got that funny looking socket. Well, when they wired the house, they didn't wire it for that. Well, I didn't want it there anyway, so time passed and I never said anything about it. Now it's too late. But I didn't want that over my head. Maybe I'll concentrate. I couldn't hear the TV. I turned the TV up so loud, I know you could hear it down the street. Okay, let's do the pink. What was that? I think it was Renee. It looked like it said I have evicted. Oh my God, not Shirley. I'm not getting involved. Because remember what I said last week? I'm not getting involved. And removed. Have they removed her too? Girls, we gotta hurry. I got to get to school. I was trying to not get into the gossip. Shit, you know how I am. I gotta know what's going on. Who is it? Must be Shelly, because I don't know anybody else over there in those apartments. Oh my God. Okay, calm down, Judy. You'll be getting this stuff all over your face. That's good. Oh, it's a little bright right there, but we can deal with that. See how knows I'm so excited, and you know that's bad news for somebody. I need to worry about that. But we haven't had any gossip in a while. I've done pretty good. I've been working on it. Let's see, we got more pink on that side than we do on this side. Come here. We're gonna use a brush. Anyway, oh, Sassy. She's making me mad. She wanted to go out there and wait for Brenda. And now here she is at the door. Well, I don't know. I'm going to have to use my finger because this isn't working. I need to get up in there. And I did. I'm going to have to do it over here because I got more. That's good. Alright. Let's blend this. Oh. Well, there you go. I got excited and I got some shimmer up there in my... Can I cover it up? Okay, not with that brush. Just please cover up. Just pop it in there. Thank you. Well, it's still a little bit. Judy, nobody sees that. Now you gotta do it over here. What are you doing? Okay, hold on. I'm getting it. Put that back in. My God. I bet you they called Renee. Well, Renee doesn't work for them. She can't. Well, maybe she can't. I don't know. There is no telling what is going on. I'm going to be making all kinds of messes trying to get off here. Come here, blend this again. Anyway. Well, you know, Shelly's got her boyfriend. Don't do that, dude. I know you want to, but don't. Okay, there. Okay. Go live with him. But maybe it's not Shelly. Who else could it be? It's Shelly. You know Shelly. It's her. It's her. See, I start to try to stop that gossiping and get out of it, and they pull me back. They pull me back. Okay, that's good. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Eyelashes. We're through with this. You know, I don't hardly ever use this palette. This is a really good palette. I got it at Ulta. I had 2 of these, and I gave one of them to my granddaughter. Let's get rid of these brushes so I'm not knocking them in the floor like I did the other day. Now, we're going to need this. I know for sure. I know I'm looking for something. We're going to need these 2. And we're going to need that one. See, I'm doing this because I'm looking for something. And there it is. It's my blender brush. But now Shelly's boyfriend won't let her move in. These women that have these men, they're so desperate. What's wrong with them? I want a man, if I'm in trouble, he's going to say, well, okay, I'll take care of it, honey. Well, I don't really want one. But if I had one, I would want one that I could rest assured that if anything happened, he's there for me. Let's do a little eyeliner. This is N Wild Kohl crayon eyeliner in, is this the one in Simma brown? I've washed it off, girls. Yes, Simma brown. I need some coffee. I'm a little excited. I'm a horrible person. I can understand myself. But I'll feel better when I get in there and get the scoop. Okay, here we go. Anyway, it's getting close on the chosen. I'm not sure. I've got to go to the dentist. I'm still biting myself, and I have a sore. And I can't get rid of it because I keep biting myself. I'm not going around, you know, without them. That's not happening. Anyway, that's a shame. You know, they ought to make air conditioners where you can just unplug them from the inside and plug another one in. But no, you have to buy a new one. And then I'll have to call the trash company to see how I get the old one picked up. Okay, that's enough eyeliner. Still got a little mess going on here. My God. Judy, shut up. You'll be next. Thank God. I have my payments automatically deducted, not to bother nobody. But I own my house. Well, I own my house. And it's homesteaded, so it'd be pretty hard for somebody to get me out. I have never been late. I've never missed a payment on anything since you know, I had all that trouble when my husband passed away. I got in a mess that time. And I'll tell you what, nobody stepped up to help me either. It was horrible. Oh, I'm going to get my diet pills filled. I'm going to try to get a different kind. Because my appetite went completely away. Well, now it's been like, what's wrong with you? It's been a couple of weeks. I like to ate myself out of house and home yesterday after I talked to my daughter. Oh my God. You know, what the heck? But you know, I'm her mother. You know damn well I'm going to help her if I can, when I can. But there's one stipulation. I can't tell you what it is. But I did tell her yesterday. You should have hung on to Kevin. Kevin would have moved this earth for you. But now, our sweet Kevin is married to someone else and she hates him. So I don't ever get to see him. Well, she hates Lori too. When Lily was little, she was sitting in the car. Kevin's wife went to pick Lily up for the weekend. Well, I don't know what in the heck she was thinking. She told Lily her mother was a bee. Well, you don't tell that to some kid. Well, we almost about lost it. Don't be telling our kids that kind of stuff. They'll come for you. And that's when she started bad-mouthing me. So I'll start bad-mouthing her right back. She couldn't take the pressure, so she blocked me. There's something going on. Is this Renee again? Karina sent me a picture of the baby. Oh, I can't wait. So much going on today, girls. And then I'm having this. Maybe it won't transfer in though. You know, when I transfer it over to YouTube. Hopefully. I'll start to be steeled. We got Paris news. I've got to get a life, girls. How's that? My be even. There. That's good. This is, that was Maybelline Sky High Black Eyelash Primer. And this is e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara in Pitch Black. I love it. I love it all. You know I do. Okay, somebody said use peach under my eyes. Well, I do. Maybe I'm not using enough. Can there be too much? Well, not for me. Because I like it all. And I don't figure out what's wrong with this camera. Oh, you know what I bet it is? The air conditioner. Should I go turn it off? I'd start sweating. Let's just see what happens if I try to be still. I'm going to use a brush. Somebody else said try to use a brush. So here we go. See, I can't get enough on there with a brush. I don't like using a brush. This is really thick. I saw Kathy A's made a video, so I'm going to have to go over there and watch her. I love Kathy A. That's my girl. That's my girl. I love her. I never miss her videos. Well, I'll tell you one thing I can see right now. My skin is getting so loose right there that it bunches up when I'm using that brush. Let's just calm down. Kitty, don't be in a hurry. It's not working. Just pat it in. Well, now I've got a big thick line. There's just some things I just really am not good with the brush. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Come here. Because now I've got to pat it in anyway. But see, it didn't cover. I'm too old, girls. Maybe I'll try that Pixi. What color is this? Is this Pixi? Is that brightening peach? Let's try it. We did a review of this to see which one was better. I thought Catrice had won, but maybe Pixi's gonna win. Come here. I'm trying to be gentle. My God. I should be ashamed of myself, but she's done so much to everybody. I'm not. I'm ashamed to God that I am. Let's see what we think. I think that Pixi did a little bit better. Alright, let's put that away. Now, let's put our foundation on. Today we're going to use Revlon Colorstay 24-hour long wear, normal to dry skin. Yes, normal to dry skin. Okay, come here. Well, you're not empty too, are you? This is that bottle that was leaking. This isn't old. I'm going to take the lid off that. Where is the spout? Well, let's just, ooh, not that much. Well, there you go. Okay, come here. What color? We don't know what color it is. Because it was on that little tag wrapped around the lid, and I had to tear it off. What is going on? Well, I'm not going to let it interfere with my day. I have things to do. I have life. I have to live it. I got to find a squirt. What happened to that? Come here. Which one's my new one? Is this it? I think it's this one. Anyway, I parted my hair on the opposite side. Now, that's the one I don't like. I'm throwing it in the trash. To cover up that yellow till I get to the beauty shop. And I'm thinking maybe go just one shade darker. All right, I see it, but I don't know what's going on. Just one shade darker. Or someone said put some low lights. I don't know what low lights are. Is that covering? Well, yeah, it's covering. All right, then. Be happy about it, but I'm not happy about my under eyes. Let me pat that in. Let's try to blend that a little bit right there. Okay. Oh, this is really bad. Now, this is a brand new one. Let me go turn that air conditioner off. Let me get off. Let's see if that helps. Oh, I can see it from now. It didn't help. I think I already saw it do it. All right, let's do some, let's put some concealer on. This is one size, Turn Up the Base Butter Silk Concealer in Light 3. Well, so far, let's see what we got. I don't want to be working on a phone. I'll take it down to the phone store. Let my little friends work on it. I pay insurance. I hear you out there, but that's too bad. Sassy girl. I know you're out there. I hear you. Get up in that hairline. I'm just patting. I think I still see it. Well, crap. Everything's happening to me, girls. But it's not as bad as last winter. Remember last winter when the tree went through the roof and I had to have a new roof and knocked out the electricity and they had to move the electric box? Oh my God. What else happened? Then we had, what was it? I went 1 week without electricity. It was horrible. And that looks good. Okay, that looks good. Well, I like that foundation. All right. Well, it didn't do it then, but I think it did it there. Let's try the W7 Hollywood Bronze and Glow. Have some coffee. There's big news coming, girls. I'm telling you, I just sit around spraying my hair, even when it's not clean, spraying it with conditioner. Leave-in conditioner. But I noticed when I was curling it, well, I couldn't get one curl that was all the same length. It really, I mean, don't ever cut your hair yourself, girls. Don't listen to that TikTok crap. I've ruined my hair Well, it seems like something's going on right there too. That's good. Perfect color. I guess this only comes in one color, because it doesn't say a color. And when you look it up on Amazon, it's only this. Get up in there. The side of my nose. There we go. Well, you look a little. I don't know what it is. It's my skin. Okay, now we're going to use this Catrice Air Blush Matte in Heavenly Peach. There we go. I love that. Well, good thing that hair's covering that up, because I think that doesn't look right. But I don't want to take it off. I have too much to do today. I have a lot on my mind today. And I'm thinking, well, should I just take the air conditioner out of that back bedroom? Nobody uses it. 2 rooms back there. Nobody uses it. But then when somebody comes, do I really want to? I'm going to put this powder on first to see if my eyebrows will stay on better. This is e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD Setting Powder. I haven't ordered any more of this. I love it. But I'm going to try and use up that, which one was it that I liked? It wasn't Catrice. Was it Catrice? I think it was Wet n Wild. All right. There's the powder, and I did not blend. Let's blend a little bit. I should have blended before I put that powder on. Okay, let's blend that too. Okay. Do you think anybody like, I didn't put any highlighter on. Come back here. It's in the, I saw it, but it's not as bad, I don't think. Yeah, it is. We gotta figure it out. I do. Let's put some highlighter on. Put a little under my eyebrow. All right. Now let's knock that powder off. Okay, lipstick. Oh, okay. I'm going to put this lip feathering. I don't think we had any luck with it. As a matter of fact, I think it kept my lips from the lipstick sticking to my lips. I know it did. So let's just get it off the lip part. Okay. This is, oh my God, this came from Temu. Handaiyan. Close enough. It's pretty. All right. Very pretty color. I like it. But I don't know if you can find some of this on Amazon. I'll look for it. Okay, eyebrows. Here we go. You've been waiting on, oh, what's that? Waiting over here a long time. You know what? I think I'm going to use that light brown. I think since I've changed colors of hair, I need a lighter brown. No, that didn't work. Yeah, it's all right. Okay. And Palm Springs, Cindy's been sick. So she did a little video last night. I knew she was getting sick last week. Might have been 2 weeks ago. But she had to go to the doctor and breathing treatments and all kinds of stuff. What's going on? This. There. This is Ioni brow pencil in light brown. I got this at Dollar Tree. But it doesn't have a brush on it. So let's brush these. Get that little hair. You know what it is. It's a piece of hair that has broke off. Okay. Let's spray. Please stay out of my face. Try to hide yourself. You look awful. You know what my sister said to me? It's amazing the difference in you before and after. I said, it's not that amazing. Sandra, wait till you see me. You just can't see it. I've got it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you, you new subscribers. Please hit like, share, and ring the bell. And share with your friends. And if you have any enemies and you don't like this video, share it with them. Okay. I will see you tomorrow with the Paris news. All right. Love ya. Bye.